Here we have a 2017 67 plate BMW 335D XDRIVE M Sport. Now with this vehicle you do get the 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. The car itself is finished in an alpine white exterior paintwork, and how good does it look from that front end. Now coming around you'll see we've got the M Performance kit on this vehicle as well. There's a look at that second 19-inch alloy wheel. M Sports badge just above. We've got the side skirts just there, black wing mirrors, colour-coded door handles, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. You may have noticed we've also got a shark fin antenna on top just there. Coming to the rear you've got your black spoiler just there, really sets the back end off nicely. Now we do have both front and rear parking sensors on this vehicle, as well as a reversing camera. Dual exit exhaust tips on that left hand side there, and there's a look at that rear view. Coming around to this corner you'll see that the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and let's go on to have a look at that interior. Now we have got a full black Dakota leather interior on this car. How great do these seats look. We've got ISOFIX points within the seats, fold down armrest in the centre. On the doors here we've got our Harman Kardon sound system, gloss black trim and brushed metal handles with the electric window controls. Coming into the front here we've got that same full black Dakota leather interior. Now these front seats are heated. Coming onto the door we've got that same Harman Kardon sound system, electric wing mirrors with electric window controls just below. Let's get in out of the rain. Auto lights on our right. Now I'll start the vehicle up, foot on the brake, start stop button, and we are away. Now we've got a multifunctional steering wheel with different controls like speed limiter, cruise control, paddle shifters just behind, auto wipers on the right, auto high beam assist on the left, engine start stop button just behind. Infotainment screen, you've got features like satellite navigation. You've then got your different forms of media connectivity, as you can see just there. Phone connectivity as well. Now we've also got different driving modes in here, so you'll find modes like Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro. Then if we put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see we've also got a visual display, both front and rear parking sensors, as well as our reversing camera on the right hand side there too. Now coming down you've then got your stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left, dual zone climate controls with heated seats for both front passengers, as well as shortcuts like max AC, and of course we have got the ice cold air conditioning too. Additional storage, we've got two good sized cup holders below there with 12-volt connectivity. We've then got our gear stick, traction control, different mode selects. We can also turn off our parking sensors just there too. Control wheel and touchpad for the infotainment screen with shortcuts. We've got our handbrake just here and our soft touch leather armrest, which does double up as storage. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching.